my YouTube channel. I'm Sivatmika Chawli. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, book summary and personal life experiences. And I'm also practicing American accent if you see my videos. For past 2 weeks or else might be 3 weeks, I didn't even practice American accent. Not because of lazy, not because of any kind of tight schedule regarding professional purpose, but because of my personal busy schedule. Yes, I got married, so that's why I didn't practice much. Recently I got married on June 27th, so that's why. But I tried to practice. I just practiced with my sister or else with my cousins, like simple conversation, like could you please bring that water here? This way, not so lengthy conversation, like around 15 minutes or 20 minutes conversation, like that. So today is the first day of our marriage to upload this video, so I'm gonna start my YouTube career freshly again, and I'm gonna start my professional career again. So I need all your blessings, guys. So thank you so much for for supporting me, to all my subscribers and non-subscribers too who are watching. And if you are non-subscriber, means please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please support me. So without any further delay, let's start our American accent practice. So let's start the real life conversation right now. So here I'm going to take some ordering the drink or else food at the restaurant. This is the real life conversation I'm going to take and I'm going to practice. This video is very simple. I just want to keep it simple and clean because as this is my first video right now after so many days. So I would like to practice these things, okay? So now I'm going to start ordering a drink at a restaurant, okay? Let's start. I'm going to order iced vanilla latte, okay? Excuse me, can I get an iced vanilla latte, please? Is this fine? Let's try it again. Excuse me, can I get an iced vanilla latte, please? Iced vanilla. Iced vanilla latte, please. Excuse me, can I get an iced vanilla latte, please? I guess I'm getting Indian accent, but I'm not getting American accent properly. Proper American accent. Let's try it again in different way. Do we have iced vanilla latte? Is it fine? Might be. I don't know. You guys have to comment it. Could you please give me iced vanilla latte? This sounds more polite, right? Could you please give me iced vanilla latte? This is good. Now the response from the waiter or waitress. Yes, ma'am. Would you like to prefer whole milk, oat milk, or else almond milk? Oops. So he or she is asking me, which type of milk do you prefer? So I'm going to prefer, he gave the options to whole milk, oat milk, or else almond milk. So which one I can choose? I really hate the taste of oat milk, and almond milk, it's okay, fine, completely. Go for almond milk, okay? I would like to prefer almond milk. This one sounds good. I would like to prefer almond milk. That sounds good. Let's try it again. I would like to prefer almond milk. Let's try the waitress convo again, okay? Yes, ma'am. Would you like to prefer oat milk, almond milk, or whole milk? This one is good, right? Would you like to prefer whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk? Did you observe the raising of my vocals? as the question as the conversation, the sentence ends with a question mark, you should speak it in a question way. I hope you are getting. If suppose the sentence, this is the sentence, right? Would you prefer oat milk or almond milk? Like, if you want to say it in a question form, you have to say it like this. Would you like to prefer oat milk or almond milk? In a question form. If you want to say it in a normal conversation, means you have to say it like, would you like to prefer oat milk or almond milk? This sounds not like a question, right? So the raising is also an important topic in American accent. I'm thinking, okay? So this is the question that comes from the waitress, and now I even replied to her like, I prefer almond milk. That sounds good. Now that waitress again, she will tell something to her and you have to listen. Okay, entire bill is around your entire bill costs around $5. Now she has to reply, okay, cool. How much time it will take? Is this fine? How much time it will take for the preparation? We need to complete the sentence. That makes professional. Fine. That's cool. How much time it will take for the preparation? It's obvious question that customer will ask. It's a general question. It would take around 10 minutes. That's fine, right? It would take around 10 minutes. Okay, fine. I will wait. Thank you so much. Is it fine? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's it. This is how we can order at the restaurant. You guys can order it in a different way, in a good way also, compared to me. This is just a simple video of ordering at the restaurant in American accent. I just tried my level best. I really don't know whether I sounded like an American or not, but I tried. You also try it in American accent in different scenarios, like you want to give interview in American accent, or else if you want to ask an address to the stranger. So take some daily scenarios and start talking in American accent, right? That's good. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to here. I'm really very grateful for you all, and please support me. And if you are a non-subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.